I think a CAPEX cycle could be the big surprise. Our CFOs are reporting, about 70% of our CFOs are reporting CAPEX plans to increase, and there's a very strong correlation between the amount or between announced plans and the deployment of CAPEX. I think that's a surprise. I think that gets us at above average growth. I think it also helps to cause GDP growth to accelerate from here. I think we could very easily see GDP growth in the mid threes or higher. If you think about GDP growth, it's been below average for years. And this is a chart from Ned Davis Research, and a lot of lines in here. I'd ask you just to focus on the second and third line. And what it basically argues is that over time, GDP is nothing other than the sum of population growth and productivity growth. And basically, for the most of the post-war period, the U.S. economy had population growth of 1.5%. It had productivity growth of 2%. You add them together, we had over 3% GDP growth for a bunch of years, like 40 or 50 years. Everybody's happy. Well, both those numbers are running about half that rate. And that explains why we've had more like 2% growth over the last 10 years. But I think a CAPEX cycle is going to help with that productivity. I think it drives above average growth.